Welcome back class 10th. Now we will continue exercise 12.2 example 6. I am showing you example 6 in the textbook and we will read. Okay, please see. Chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter. Subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Means you are given angle of sector. Find areas of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Value of pi 3.14 and root 3 1.73. So you are given these values you will need in example, right? Let us come back to the notebook now. See, I wrote given thing 15 centimeter radius, angle of sector 60 degree, pi, root 3 values, area of minor segment. Now look at diagram. Angle of sector 60 degree. Let us make sector 60 degree. Now let us take this point A, point B. So if I join AB, so this shaded part is your minor segment. Yes or no? Minor segment. And remaining part is what? Complete major segment. Okay, student? So first find the area of minor segment. You are knowing angle of sector 60 degree. Okay. Then area of major segment will be equal to area of the circle minus area of minor segment. Clear? So let us find first area of minor segment. Okay, students? See that formula you are knowing. Pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2. Okay. Now put the values. Pi value given to you. Radius is known to you. Okay. Theta is also. Please don't do greater in putting values. You may be in trouble. So now here theta is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. So see now, sin theta upon 2 means sin 30, 60 upon 2, 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Cos theta upon 2 means cos 60 upon 2. So cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Okay, I am putting values. Children, cancellation possible, don't delay, hurry up, cancel it. See here, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, not divisible by 3, but divisible by 2, we can cancel by 2. 2, 3, 6, 2 ones 2, remainder 1, 2, 5, 10, 2 sevens, okay. So we are adding now, see again 15 and 3 is cancelable, 3 ones 3, 3 5 are 15. So here we cancelled, here cancellation not possible, we will just write completely. Now see, I am getting 1.57 multiplied by 15 5 is 75 minus 15 15 225 multiplied by what is value of root 3 1.73 upon 2 2's 4. Okay, so 117.75 minus cancel 4 2 4 5 are 20, remainder 2 taken 5 25 4 6 24, remainder 1 4 2 is 8, 2 remainder 2 taken 0 becomes 20, 4 5 are 20, right? If you multiply these two numbers you will get 97.3125. Please, you have to multiply yourself. Clear? Now subtract this now. No delay, be careful. See now we are 4 digits, here 2 digits, so I will write 2 zeros, that is what? 2525. So you are getting this now, see, please. $20.4375, that is equal to 20.4375. This square centimeter. This is area of minor segment. What it? So area of minor segment equal to 20.4375 square centimeter. Now you want to find area of the major segment, and major segment is remaining parts is complete after minor segment. So that is circle minus minor segment. So we can write now area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. You must write this, then only you will remember such steps are required. Otherwise, students fall in other calculations. Okay, you know what are the students thinking? Now we will find area of major segment, then we'll subtract. That is becoming more work, right? So there is nothing to plan like this. Now see, we are finding area of major segment. Area of major segment is what? Remaining part is major segment. So area of circle minus area of minor segment. This combination very important. Please remember it. Now let us put the values. Area of circle, you know, pi r square. Minus area of minor segment calculated. 20.4375. Put the values. No delay. Radius 15 minus 20.4375. Again, multiply these, students. Please multiply these properly. You have multiplied. After multiplication, you will get this value. Yes, 706.5. Okay, minus 20.4375. Subtract this. After subtraction, students, look here. This subtraction is very important. Here there are 4 places, so be careful. No great hurry. Write properly. Okay, after subtraction, you will get 686.0625. Okay, this is what area of the major segment. That is what 686.0625 square centimeter. Students, I hope you understood now. What was important of this example? Understand what is given. Understand what is asked. Okay, then area of minor segment calculated. Area of major segment, circle minus minor segment. We got answer. Okay, students. Please see this example properly 2 times and solve yourself once again. Now I am taking example number 8. Look here, I am showing you in the book. Look at example 8. Very easy. Horse is tied to a peg at one corner of square. Right? Shaped grass field. Square shaped grass field. So grass field is of square. So each angle of the square is 90 degree. Clear? The side of the field is also given to you. Side of the field is 15 meter. And that horse is tied by means of 5 meter long rope. So horse is tied at the corner by long rope. That rope is taken straight. Okay, so that rope, now see, if horse is moving to graze the grass in the square, horse will eat the grass in the square and make the shape of quadrant. Okay, then they are asking the area of that part of the field in which horse can graze. So area of the part horse can graze is quadrant with radius, okay, 5 meter, because rope length is radius of the quadrant. Clear, students? Now see, let us try this first. Right now, see example 8. See, you got, I have just shown this is your radius of the quadrant because this length of the rope, grass which can be eaten by the horse. So if we find area of this quadrant, that is the area of the part grazed by horse. Therefore, see now, area of part grazed by horse is equal to area of quadrant. You have to understand, we have to write properly, clearly, then only your mind will help to start. Okay, now see, area of quadrant means area of sector, that is 40. You got theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Theta is 90 degree. Okay, 90 upon 360, pi value not given, so we take pi value is given in book, that is 3.14. Okay, radius is what? 5 multiplied by 5. Clear, students? And see, all of you, cancellation possible, cancel. No hurry in cancellation, okay? Yes. So you got it 3.14 multiplied by 25 upon 4. Again cancel by 4. 6.25. So again you got multiplication. Students, please be careful in multiplication. No great hurry. This cancellation by 4. Be careful. See now, after multiplication you will get 19.6250. Okay, we got 19.6250 square centimeter. This is what area of quadrant. Area of quadrant means area of the part grazed by horse. Okay, see this. Clear? Fine. Now second part in this example is, second part in the same example, please see what is that we are reading from the book. The increase in the grazing area if rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now increase in the graze area. Now see student, look here, please be careful. This graze area is this much. Now if it is increases when radius is now 10 meter in place of 5 meter. So increase in area will be equal to, now we are getting second quadrant with radius 10 meter. Yes or no? You are getting new radius 10 meter. Clear? It was first 5 meter. So this quadrant we calculated. Now when area is increased by taking rope length 10 meter, we are getting new quadrant. So increase in area is this one, this strip. Please remember it. Area of this strip. So area of this strip we want to find, that is rise in area. So we have to find area of the big quadrant minus area of small quadrant. That is increase in area. Okay. Increase in area when radius changes from 5 to 10 meter will be area of the strip that is increased. Right. Now see now new radius is what? First we are writing increasing area. Increase in area of grazing by radius from 5 meter to 10 meter. So we got new quadrant now. Clear? New quadrant where radius equal to 10 meter. Theta equal to same. So increase in area will be equal to increase in area of grazing equal to big sector means quadrant minus small sector or quadrant. Clear? Now big sector is what beta? See, big sector, that is again theta upon 360 pi r square minus this big sector. So let us take theta 1, radius 1, big sector. Radius is 10 and here theta is what? 90 only, minus theta upon 360. इसका भी theta 2, second sector का, second quadrant का pi r 2 square. Radius is 5 meter. We are getting it now. See, we have to find only big sector. This is known to us, calculated clearly, right? Now see, 90 upon 360 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by now radius is 10 meter minus 19.6250. Please look here. This we have to find only this because this is already calculated. Okay, now put the values, get it. You are getting it. Cancel by this now 2, 4, 5 again 5. Very easy. You are getting, see, 5 by the 25. 3.14 multiplied by 25. Okay, clear? Now see, minus 19.6250. Please multiply this and get the subtraction. Multiply this. Okay, after multiplication you will get 78.50. Then subtract. If you subtract this, you are getting, see, if I subtract this one, I will get Be careful. Decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2. So we have to write 2 zeros more. Okay, students. Then you are getting the subtraction of this one. Then you will get about. We can check this subtraction in the rough column, please. It is matter of very that is importance to concentrate. Here there are 4 places, so I have to be careful. No great hurry. Very simple. (15 minus 7, 8). Okay, 8, 5. So we got 58.8750. That is what 58.875 square centimeter. Clear, students? This is what increase in area. Area of grains. Increase in area of grazing. Please be careful. Got it? Students, watch the video 2 times, please, and solve examples yourself. And you will try to solve example 9 and example 10 yourself. Okay? Let us see in next video for next examples.